Hi everybody, it's Stella. Today I have another video for the instructors explaining the review suggested page. Instructors, every now and then you might notice some red alerts in the attention column. If you hover over the alerts, you can view some of the issues that Ensightful has detected within the team. For example, 2 members in this team have not logged into the platform in a while, and this team currently has 63% of their tasks marked as overdue. On the review suggested page, all the alerts have been collected and organized into 4 different categories: tasks, progress status, contribution, and workload. To view all the teams with alerts associated with each category, just click on the drop-down arrow and you will see which teams could use some extra help or attention. The review suggested page is a great place to review all the alerts at once, streamlining the check-in process with teams and making sure that all issues are addressed. That's all for the review suggested page. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up or leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching!